Can you predict what the following scenario will look like under a thermal imaging or infrared camera? On the left-hand side, I've got a piece of black paper on top of a granite worktop. And on the right-hand side, I've got an aluminium pan, which is anodized, and they're roughly the same colour. Before I put my hands on them, the paper, the worktop and the aluminium pan had been sat in the same room for a long period of time, so they should be at the same temperature. Once I've left my hands in place for a little while, I'm going to take them away. So what do you think that's going to look like under an infrared or thermal imaging camera? Well, now you've had a chance to think, let's find out. We've got a fixed temperature scale, which is shown on the left-hand side, from the dark blue as cold up to the yellow-white as hot. And you can see that to begin with, there isn't much difference between the two sides. But after a little bit, you can notice that on the metal pan, the surrounding area is warming up quite a lot, and it's going to that sort of magenta colour, whereas on the black paper, it has stayed the dark blue where the hand isn't touching. This is because the metal has a much higher thermal conductivity, so the energy is transferred all through the metal and warms all of it up, whereas on the paper with the granite underneath, it is an insulator, so little of the energy is transferred to the parts which the hand isn't touching. And what's really beautiful is when you take the hands away and you see a clear handprint on the paper and you see just a blurry warm area on the metal. On the paper, only the area that you were directly touching has warmed up, whereas on the metal, because it was the good conductor, the whole area around it has also warmed up. This is a great predict and explain activity to use with students when teaching physics. Thank you to Teresia Demchakova, who shared this great activity with me at the Science on Stage Festival in 2026 in Klaipėda in Lithuania.